Dear students, all is well. Chapter 1 of your NCERT book, Knowing Our Numbers. Introduction. Knowing our numbers help us in counting objects in large numbers and representing them through numerals. Numbers helps in communicating through suitable number names and to count concrete objects. They help us to say which collection of bigger and arrange them in order. Comparison of numbers. In order to compare two numbers, we adopt the following rules. Rule 1. The number with less digit is less than the number of with more digit. It means the number which is having the less number of digit is always less than the number which is having the more digit. Rule 2. Suppose we have to compare two numbers having the same numbers of digit, then we proceed as under. Step 1. First compare the digit at the leftmost place in both the numbers. If they are equal in value, then compare the second digit from the left. If the second digits from the left are equal, then compare the third digit from the left. It means the number which are having the same digit. So first we have to see that the leftmost, which number is having the leftmost place is bigger. If they are equal in value, then compare the second digit. Then again follow the steps 3 and step 4. In number system, we have place value chart. First, Indian place value system or Indian place value chart. In Indian system, we have the category first ones, then thousand, then lakh. In ones, we have ones, tens, hundred. In thousand, we have thousand, 10,000. In lakhs, we have lakhs, 10 lakhs, and so on. For example, 99511024 can be placed in place value chart as at one digit we will write 4, then tens 2, then 100 0, then 1000 1, then 10,000 5, then lakh 9, and the last 10 lakh 9. Now the second system, international system, place value system. In international place value system, we have three groups, ones, thousand, million. In ones, again the ones, tens and hundreds. In thousand, 10,000, 100,000. In million, million, 10 million, and so on. Now we can put the commas according to the groups. For example, 96743682. In ones we will write 2, then tens we can write 8, then the 100 6, 1003, 10,004, at the place of 100,000 7, million 6, and 10 million right. With the same procedure, you can solve the exercise 1.1 of your NCERT book. In 1.1, in question number 2, you have to put the commas correctly, and in question number 3, you have to write the numerals. So you go through the exercise 1.1 and solve it.